Make a great choice today with the 2021 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, hill descent control, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, traction control. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, HD radio, cruise control, air conditioning, console, great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.